Hola chicas, gracias por regresar para otro video de limpieza. En este video estuve haciendo un poco de todo. Lo primero que estoy haciendo es doblar la ropa que lavé el día anterior y se me hizo muy tarde para doblarla, así que lo dejé para el próximo día y así compartirlo con ustedes. Luego de eso pasaré a mi cuarto. También estuve haciendo un arroz con gandules que lo verás más adelante y haciendo unas ricas donas caseras. También estaré compartiendo contigo un tip de limpieza, haciendo una semi limpieza profunda de la cocina y más. Así que si te interesa ver el video, mantente viéndolo porque está cargado de mucha motivación de limpieza. Y si es tu primera vez aquí, bienvenido, asegúrate de darle like al video y suscribirte para ser notificado cada vez que suba un video al canal.
I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel how it feels, babe? Won't you love me? The open kind of new.
Voy a estar quitando las sábanas y cobijas de la cama para lavarlas y poner unas nuevas.
Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe?
Próximo voy a preparar un arroz con gandules. Es muy fácil de hacer y cada vez que lo hago queda delicioso. Me encanta.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
Esta puerta tiene marcas de bolígrafo que hizo el más pequeño de la casa, así que lo que voy a estar utilizando es un poco de acetona y papel toalla para remover las manchas y me funciona muy bien.
How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous.
En lo que se cocina el arroz voy a preparar unas donas caseras. Esta receta la miré en Instagram, si no me equivoco, y quise probar hacerlas. Esta fue la primera vez que la hice y quedaron muy buenas. Lo único que cambiaría es poner el fuego medio bajo en vez de medio alto para que no queden tan doradas y se cocinen poco a poco.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed.
Ahora estoy limpiando mis brochas de maquillaje. La verdad no tengo muchas brochas. Solamente tengo lo básico. Me pongo poco maquillaje, algo sencillo. No soy muy diestra en eso del maquillaje, que digamos. Para lavarlas no uso un producto en especial. Usualmente utilizo un jabón sin fragancia o un jabón de bebé. Aquí utilicé un jabón de bebé.
Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd.
Próximo voy a limpiar la nevera, a hacer una limpieza profunda, sacar todo, limpiar la nevera muy bien y luego organizar toda la comida de la refrigeradora.
You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two.
Ahora la cocina. Voy a estar haciendo una semi limpieza profunda, y digo semi porque me enfoqué más en el backsplash, encimera y la ventana. Muy pronto estaré haciendo una limpieza más profunda de toda la cocina, más a detalle.
But you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
También limpié el filtro del extractor de la cocina, que es una de las cosas que no hago a menudo, entonces voy a limpiarlo con agua y jabón para asegurarme que quede muy limpio.
They will disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Y eso es todo por el video. Muchas gracias por haber estado aquí. Dios te bendiga y estaré hablando con todos ustedes en mi próximo video.